Hi all, welcome back to YouTube channel EzyMentor. So today's our topic is about complex data types in Python. Complex data types includes four categories: list, tuples, sets and dictionary. List, tuples, sets and dictionary. So today in this class we are going to discuss three of them: list, tuples and sets. Dictionary is quite wide, so we will take it as another video. List is a ordered and changeable type of complex data type, and to declare list we use square brackets. Let us see with example. For that, type list equals square brackets. Inside square brackets give some values: 20, 15, 25, 10, 30, 5. Then words we should give in single quotes. So give single quotes and write Pinky, comma, single quotes again, Brownie. This is our list we created in Python. So let us see some of the operations using list. First operation is we need to get the values from index 1 to index 5 from this list. For that we need to give the code list square brackets. Inside square brackets give 1 to 5 and just run the code and see what will be the result. So we can see from 1 to 5 inside the list items will be here will be shown as the output. So let us wait and see what will be the output of this code. Yes, we have got from 1 to 5 means 1, 2, 3, 4. Inside that 1 to 5 values will be given. So we have got 15, 20, 10 and 30. Let us see one more example for this. List square brackets. Inside square brackets give the numbers 2 to 6. Then let us see what will be the output. Yes, we have got the list that 2 to 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inside that 2 to 6 values is given as output. So we have got from 10, 25, 10, 30 and 5. So once more we should give a code that list square brackets and give the value 4 to 8 and let us see what will be the result. Yes, now we have got 4 to 8 list and their output is 35 Pinky Brownie. So this is the method to get the values from index. The index we can choose for either from 1 to 5, from 2 to 6, 4 to 8, like that index we can choose and we can get the result. Next, we want to replace the value of index 6 to Zimba. So for that we should give a code. The code is list square brackets. Inside square brackets we should give the index number 6 and give equal to, in single quotes we should give Zimba. Then run the code and find the result. Yes, we have run the code. The code is already run, but we can't see anything here. So we need to give list again and run the code. So in this list 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. At the 6th place it was Pinky and it is changed to Zimba. This is one method to replace the values in the list. We can also replace back to Pinky. For that, type the code list inside square brackets give 6, then give equals, then inside single quotes give another name, not Pinky, give another name. Let us give and we need to see the result. For that, type list. Yes, here now the Simba is changed to Jimmy. This is what happening in while we are replacing values in list. Next, we need to add the value at end of the list. That means after brownie we need to add one name or one number or something else. So for that, one code is give list dot append, then in open bracket close brackets, inside open brackets and close brackets give single quotes and write Blackie, then run the code. So now the code is just run only, so we need to see the list. For that, type list again and run the code. Yes. Oh, here did you see there is 2 times Blackie had came here because of only one reason. Because before writing list at below the code, we have once run the code, so already the code is already run, so Blackie is already came there. For changing this output, just give runtime run all, because when we are clicking on here, this code will run for that particular cell only. So if we have come up with any error or any doubt we came while we are doing the coding, just give runtime run all. So all the codes will run at the same time and we will get a proper result. So let us see. Yes, here that app happen. We can see list.append Blackie we have given here to get the add the value at the end of the list. So later it was the 2 Blackie here, so now it was only 1 Blackie. Because of that, if we run once more this code, it will show 2 Blackie over there. So just need to do that, give runtime run all. At this time all the codes will work at same time and we will get the proper result what we need. So always try to do runtime run all and get the result. Then next is we will add the value at the index 4. We need to add the value at index 4. So index 4 means we need to add value at 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. At 30 we need to change. We need to insert something. So let us see what will happen. Try the code that list dot insert and open brackets and close brackets. We need value at 4, comma, inside single quotes give Piggy. Then run the code and see what will be. So we need to give a list once more. So give list again and run the code. So this time also you can see Piggy had came 2 times only because the code has run 2 times. So give runtime run all. So always try to give runtime run all because that only we will get that time only we will get the proper output. So here we can see Pecky had came one time and it had came at the fourth position, fourth index, 0, 1, 2, 3 and fourth position it is changed to Pecky. Now once more we will need to insert something else, list dot insert at the sixth position I need to add Pinky. So let us need to see that output. So that give enter and again write list and give runtime run all option. So this time we can see at the sixth position it is inserted Pinky. Between 30 and 5 Pinky is inserted. So this is the functions we can do with list data type. These all are the functions we can do with list data type.